In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create animated stickers in Telegram. This is a simple process, and you only need a couple of apps to get started. First, go to the Play Store and download either CapCut or Alight Motion. Both apps can be used to create short animations, so you can choose whichever one feels easier for you. You'll also need to install Telegram, since that's where you'll turn your animation into a sticker and publish it. Once your apps are ready, open CapCut or Alight Motion and create a new project. The important part here is setting the project size correctly. Make sure the canvas is set to 512 by 512 pixels. This square format works well for Telegram animated stickers and helps your final result fit properly inside the app. After that, start creating your animation. Keep it short, ideally between 1 and 3 seconds. Short animations usually work best because they look clean, load quickly, and are more sticker friendly. You can use simple elements like text, stickers, emojis, or basic motion effects. Try not to overload the animation. Clean and simple designs often look much better when they're used as stickers and chats. When your animation is finished, export the project. Tap Export or Save, depending on the app you're using. For the export settings, choose MP4 as the format and set the frame rate to 30 frames per second. If your project includes background music, you can remove it, since Telegram stickers usually don't need audio. Then save the video to your device. Now it's time to turn that video into a Telegram sticker. Open Telegram and search for the stickers bot. Select the official bot and tap Start to begin. In the chat, send the command /new video. This tells the bot that you want to create a video sticker. Then upload the MP4 file you just exported. After the file is uploaded, the bot will ask you to send an emoji that matches your sticker. Choose something that fits the mood or meaning of the animation, like a smile, fire, or laughing face. This helps people find and use the sticker more easily. If you want to make more stickers, just repeat the same process and keep uploading additional MP4 files one by one. When you're done adding stickers, type /publish to finish the pack. That's it. You've now created your own animated Telegram sticker pack. Just follow these steps carefully, keep your animations short and clear, and you'll be able to make stickers that look great and are fun to use.